I'm putting on the drip tape to the valves and then hooking it to my main line. So I'm going to push the tape on with the stripe up. The stripe is where your emitters are, the drippers. So I can see a slit here, and then I have another one right here. So every 12 inches, my tape has an emitter. Yours may have 8-inch spacing, you can pick. And I'm going to line it up, make my punch. This is a 1/4-inch bar going into a 1/2-inch main line. And the valve allows me to turn each row on and off. How far apart you want to place your tape depends on what you're planting. If you're planting things really closely spaced or far apart. I do a lot of peppers and tomatoes in this garden, so mine's going to be a little further apart. Okay, cut.